In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Asana. Recurring tasks are perfect for things you need to do regularly, like weekly reports, monthly check-ins, or daily reminders, and setting them up properly will save you time and keep your work consistent. Start by logging into your Asana account on a desktop or laptop. The desktop interface gives you the full task panel and scheduling options in one place, which makes this process smoother. Once you're in, open the project where you want the recurring task to live. Keeping recurring tasks in the right project helps with visibility, reporting, and team collaboration. Click Add Task and type in a clear, action-oriented task name. Think of something you'll recognize instantly later, like Submit Weekly Status Report or Review Monthly Budget. After you've named it, click the task to open the Task Details panel. This panel is where you control all the important settings for the task. Next, click the Due Date field. Choose the date for the first time you want this task to be due. This sets the starting point for the recurrence. In that same due date menu, click Repeat. You'll see options for daily, weekly, monthly, or a custom schedule. Pick the schedule that matches your routine. Daily is great for everyday habits. Weekly works well for things like Monday stand-ups. Monthly is ideal for end-of-month tasks. If your schedule is more specific, choose Custom. There, you can set things like every 2 weeks only on weekdays or the first business day of the month, depending on your needs. When you're satisfied with the schedule, click Save. That locks in both the due date and the recurrence pattern. From now on, when you complete this task, Asana will automatically create the next instance with a new due date based on the schedule you selected. If you ever notice the timing isn't quite right, just open the task again, revisit the due date field, and adjust the repeat settings. A quick tip: name your recurring tasks consistently and, if relevant, include timing or context in the name so it stays clear over time. Also, remember that the initial due date you set becomes the anchor for future recurrences, so choose it carefully to match your workflow. That's it. Your recurring task is ready and will keep you on track without manual recreation each time. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and